right, guys, made it out here to the car event. Looks like it's a pretty good turnout. I think y'all want to stick around for this one though. Let's see what we got out here. All right, guys, this is like half of our group right here. Got the yellow, looks like a 2023, 2024. Got mine. Greg. Check out the JZX. Oh my gosh, these right here are tugging at my heartstrings. I need one of these in my life. Check out how big it is compared to the Miata though. Wow, it's a boat, but it's so sweet. Love the hood. Details to the front lights right there. Drift spec fitment. Carbon Gannon doors. Sunroof. Got another chaser beside it. JZX 100. Check this FD out though. BBS is on there. Carbon Ganny's on there too.
Any GTRs?
M3, sheesh. FD is sweet. Oh man, I love a good white Evo. Talk to me. Carbon lip down there, TE's on there. Evo 8, so crispy. Check this M3 out. Looks like Laguna. The gold wheels. Sheesh. The orange interior in there with the carbon roof. This thing is wild. Saw these guys at the event just last weekend. Still looking good as ever. The bronze on there. Show y'all the bay again. Yes, sir. It's a good build. Ooh, with the yellow stitching in there, I see you. Then the M3, the SSR's on there. Dang, the TT's kind of clean with the emotions on there. The aired out 400, okay. Still not a huge fan of the body style, but that's pretty clean. R33, these are always good to see. Another Evo. So good. Another JZX. Goals. This one's insane. The dark blue with the LMs on there. Whew. A little bit of the rear end of the GTRs out here. Didn't want to breeze past that. So good. R34. Showed you guys this one a couple times. My boys got the Adro kit, supercharged, the white Meisties on there. Pretty cool 8.6. Love the Meisties on there. The wing, that's a good look. Mustang is wild. I actually saw him pulling in too, so the wheels are crazy, but the center cap spin. Clean M3 out here on the grass. Love the M4. All the carbon in there. The red interior. M2. Got another M4 over here. And then what is this, M5? Got that Beamer wagon here on the BBSs. Sheesh. S13 coupe sound like she got a cam in her. Listen to that. Super clean S15. Got the S14, the 15, and the 13. I see this Benz everywhere, and I'm such a huge fan. You never seen a Camry so spicy. That's a good build right there. Got the carbon up there. Oh, the whole top black. I like that trunk too. Fitment on point. Gixxer boys. That's sweet. Got the midnight Blupra. See this guy everywhere. Got the Infinity over there. Audi aired out. See you. The BBSs too. What am I doing wrong, man? No, they're coming automatic. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know what you guys like, love, hate about the video. Hit the like, comment, sub, and I'll see you guys in the next one.